Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Haka kapsan tarik menta unai tung arajar ke kendai, ringkat setelah ke pertai, hakani ke Jylla Meghalaya ru, la Rakhe ke singi ke bakarpang, halor ki saptrai, hakikam bapero-per jong kisamla, ne ye ke belatem, kum ke World Youth Skill Day. Hakani ke nang ba Shillong la pelong ye ke Jylang ban Rakhe ye ke ni ke singi, dakat nat labor jong ke sarkar Jylla, ha Sosotham Auditorium Shillong. Las dang ye ke program hakani ke singi da ke jingthang ye ke syarak dong Musa, da ki kenrem kelandan, bakan top yu sambut menteri rang ba ke Jylla, uba Preston Tensong, ubala long kongsan, ringkat ke jingran lang, u principal secretary jong ke sarkar Jylla, uba khmi ye ke nat labor jong ke ni ke Jylla, uba Donald P. Waklang IAS, bat ki wedi ki officer jong ke nat labor. Hakani ke singi la sam certificate ru syabaro ki tu ki bala pendam, ya ke jingsha hikai, hakikam bapero-per, ki ba ki don kesap bentrai. Habakran ha ke Jylang na kaliang uba Preston Tensong, ula kentui ki samla ke Jylla, ban syem ya ke kabu, da ke jingwan ki company bapero-per hakani ke Jylla, bat ula kenturu, ban nyarap penjok kamlam ya ki wede, lengba ke jingnang jingtip jongki.
You know, as a politician, I just wanted to tell you, I keep meeting people, not less than 50 to 60 people who came meeting me or meeting our politicians. Number one request is, we want job. That's why, ultimately, my hair is falling. Because I can't provide job. And nowadays, getting a government job is not as easy as way back 25 years ago. Yes, sometimes we feel pity. I just heard a statement made by few friends, young boys, young girls, stories. A success stories they did. It was so touching to all of us. Not only touching, and I'm sure we get inspiration out of it. Because that is very important. I personally feel, when we talk about unemployment, and when young boys and young girls used to curse their parents, or used to blame even the government, I used to tell them one thing. Where is that unemployment problem that we have? Where is that unemployment problem that we have? Let us just go out of Shillong or go out of Meghalaya. I think all of you happen to be out of Meghalaya. The moment you land at railway station, or even the moment you land at even airport, you see the situation, the livelihood of the people in other states. What's happening? They don't have even a proper shelter. No shelter at all. Ultimately, they were forced to stay on the street. So when we come back to our state, I'm just telling you, sometimes I used to look up. I said, Almighty was so gracious enough to the people of Meghalaya. The only problem that we have now is people of Meghalaya are so lazy, including me. Okay? I don't say myself that I'm not Meghalaya. Laziness is still ruling our brain. That's why sometimes for young boys, young girls, they are being carried away. They are being misled in the name of unemployment. As rightly mentioned by one young boy, he said, I am here in this platform to request all of us to grab and to take up this golden opportunity. We need to take up this golden opportunity. And that also without spending a single part. When we talk about skill development training, I would like to appeal to all of you. It is not just because you want to get a job. But what I wanted to appeal to request all of you here is getting job is different story altogether. But I would like to request all of you, make sure that you also create a job. Don't talk about getting job. Let us also create a job.
Khan.